Hi boys and girls, welcome to reading. Today in reading, we are in our reading book, My View, and we are on page 61. And yesterday we reviewed some of our vocabulary words that we're going to see in the story, all, now, and pretty. We did some work with those, and now we're going to read the story. And this story is called A Look at the Past. All right? Now, on our first page, after we read the sentences of the story of the text, we're going to be looking for words with the long U sound. Now remember that U has two sounds. It has a short sound that we learned first in pre-K and kindergarten, like umbrella, and then it has the long U sound, which sounds like U, which is like in the word flute. Flute. You hear the long U sound. Okay? So on the first page, we're going to be looking for words with that long U sound. All right, let's go ahead and read. He said, "A mule can help us. The mule is big." He said, "I made a tin cup. The cup is cute." All right. So this text is talking about what we see in the picture. There's a man that has a mule and a tin cup. Now, did you hear some words with the U sound, and specifically with the long U sound? Let's go ahead and read the sentence again and listen for those words with that U sound. He said a mule. You hear that? Mule. I see the U and I hear that U, that long U sound. So I'm going to go ahead and just circle that word. You can highlight it or circle it. A mule can help us. All right. Now I see a U right there. Does that have a long or short U sound? Us. I hear the short U sound, so we're not going to circle that one or highlight it. All right, next sentence. The mule. Hey, there's the same word, and you hear the U sound. I can see the letter U, and I can hear U. Mule. Mule. So that has the long U sound. And it's the same word there, so I know that it's got the same sound, so I'm going to circle that. The mule is big. The next sentence, he said, "I made a tin cup." I see the U, and I heard the U sound, but is it the long or the short U sound? Is it or U? K, I hear which is the short U sound, so we're not going to circle that one or highlight it, okay? The cup is cute. There's the word cup again. K, that's short U sound. Let's keep going. Is cute. Hey, there's the U. Listen to the sound. K, U. That's the long U sound. Circle it. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Let's turn the page. I'm going to flip my book over so you can see it. We are now on page 62. Page 62. She said, "I made a rag rug." Okay, now this, actually, I should tell you, on this page and the next one, we're going to be looking for words with the short U sound, okay? So not the long U sound, but the short U sound. Let's read again. She said, "I made a rag rug. The rug is pretty." Look at the nice rug. All right, so boys and girls, is there any words with that short U sound? She said, "I made a rag rug." I see the tracing for the underlining because I see the U there. And does it have that short U sound? Rug. Yes, right there. Underline it or circle it. I'm just going to underline on these next two pages. Rug. The rug, there it is again, same word. We know it has that short U sound. Rug is pretty. All right, next page. We are on page 63. She said, "I bake all the time. Now we can have a hot bun." Yum! All right, so they all have a hot bun ready to eat. So let's go through each sentence again and look for words with that short U sound. She said, "I bake all the time." Do you see any words with that have that U sound? Do you even see the letter U? I don't. Keep going. Now we can have a hot bun. Hey, I hear something there. Bun. You hear the short U sound? I sure do. I sure do as well. Let's underline it. Bun. And I can see the U right in the middle. Yum. Hey. Do you hear the short U sound there? I do as well. Underline it. All right. Very good, boys and girls. That is our story. And now we're going to keep working on our words with long and short U in them. On this one, it's asking us to go ahead and just draw a picture, but I'm going to add a little piece to this. I'm going to have us look for words with the short U sound, and we're going to circle those, okay? So let's go ahead and just read all the words. Cube. Now we're looking for short U sound, not U. Cube. I hear U. That's a long U. Let's keep going. Sun. Circle it. That's got the short U sound. Rug. Rug. There it is again. Short U sound. There's a U, but let's listen to the word. Tune. 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 That's got the long U sound. Don't circle it. Next line. Cup. You hear the short U sound? I do as well. I'm listening for not for U, not the U sound. Cute. Cute. You hear the U sound? It's a long U sound. Don't circle it. Mule. Mule. There's a long U sound as well. Let's keep going. Mud. Ooh, listen. That's it. Awesome. Now, boys and girls, you can select one of these words that we read, and really what the one of these things. You can draw a picture of it. Draw a picture of a cube, of the sun, of a rug, a tune. That's kind of tricky. That would be like a music note, a cup, something cute that you think is cute. Maybe your dog or your cat, a little brother or little sister, something like that. A mule, like a donkey, or mud. What do you want to draw? I'm going to just go ahead and draw a sun. Now, you can pause the video so you can take a lot of time on it and color it. I'm going to do a quick drawing of the sun. It was sunny yesterday, and actually 2 days ago by the time you see this. And today, actually on Thursday when I'm recording this, it is not sunny. Hopefully on Friday when you finally see this video, it will be sunny. Draw that snow we had last week. There's my sun. Now again, you can go ahead and pause the video just so you can put a lot of detail. Great artists and great writers put detail in their work, and that includes in their drawings. Okay, so you can put a lot of detail as we're putting detail in our writing as we're learning to read and write. So pause it, make it look a lot better than mine, put some color, but I'm going to keep going, and let's finish our lesson. Last page. All right, so this is, again, short U and long U, and we're going to take a look at these sentences. First, review the words, and then we're going to decide what words would fit in these sentences, okay? And then we're going to write them just like we need to, write them really nice and neat with great handwriting, okay? So let's review the words. Let's go ahead and read these together. Ready? That is, what sound does that make? T makes T, and that's a short U, and B sound, B, T, B, T, let's blend it. Tub, 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 like a bathtub. Next one. Again, this has a short U sound in the middle. So what sound does F make? Blend it. Fun, fun. So tub and fun. Next one. This one has the long U sound. Okay. Here we go. Tune. The E we don't really hear. Tune. Tune. Boys and girls, remember yesterday we talked about a pattern that when you have the U and then another letter and then an E, that's when it makes it a long U sound. That's a pattern. I see it in this one and the next one. So that is tune. Tune. Good. So like a music tune. Something like that. Or tuning something up. Last one. This is, again, I see a U, another letter, a consonant, and then that E at the end. So that's a long U sound. Ready? What sound does C make? K. Cube. 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 So tub, fun, tune, and cube. All right. So now we're going to need to put these into, we're going to decide what fits best in these. Okay. So the game is, I see it traced. Fun. The game is fun. See, that makes sense. You can pause the video if I'm going too fast as I'm writing these out. Okay. But let's decide what fits the best in here. A something is in the cup. A tub is in the cup? No. A fun is in the cup? No. A tune is in the cup? No. What do we see in the cup? A cube is in the cup? Yes, an ice cube. Let's write cube. Lowercase c. Lowercase u. Lowercase b starts at the top line, goes all the way down, ends up at the bottom line. And the lowercase e starts halfway between the midline and the bottom line, and it just goes around, doesn't connect. There it is. Great. Last sentence, boys and girls. The pup is in the something. Where's he in? See it? The pup is in the tub? I think so, but let's check all the possible answers. The pup is in the fun? That doesn't make sense. The pup is in the tune? No. The pup is in the cube? No. Where's he in? Yeah, it looks like a tub. The pup is in the tub. So we're doing tub. So I look at the lowercase t. I go from the top line all the way down to the bottom line, and then go across the midline, and then the lowercase u from the midline down, midline, and then the b, top line to the bottom line, and go to the midline, finish the b. All right, boys and girls, you worked really hard with me today. Thank you for working with me today on reading.